two travel insurance giants side by side. One essential question: who really has your back when it counts? On one side, the trusted, wide-reaching Travel Guard, and on the other, the globally recognized Generali Global Assistance. Let's put aside the fancy marketing and dig into what truly matters. We'll score each must-have category, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. You might be surprised by the final verdict. Before we get deep into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick overview, almost like a mind map of what we're comparing today. Price and value, coverage features, claims experience, global support, and reputation and reliability. Sound good? Alright, let's dive into the first round. First up, price and value. So Travel Guard does offer flexible plans and they've got a pretty big provider network, which is awesome. But honestly, sometimes their prices run a little high for what you get. Now with Generali, I've gotta say they're super competitive on price. There's a bunch of package tiers you can pick from, and overall the value is just tough to beat. You do have to watch out, those upgrades can sneak up and add to the cost. But bottom line, Generali kind of takes the crown here for just giving you more bang for your buck. Next, let's talk coverage features. Travel Guard? Oh, they're solid. You get robust medical and evac coverage out of the box, plus trip cancellation and interruption as a standard thing. One catch: adventure sports fans, you'll need to tack that on separately. Generali, on the other side, comes in with some quirky stuff like customizable benefit limits and even an identity theft policy, which is actually pretty unique. But pre-existing condition coverage, it's a little all over the place. Still, both of these are super comprehensive. Honestly, they're neck and neck in this category. Moving on to claims experience. Travel Guard's got the usual 24/7 assistance hotline, which you'd expect, but people do grumble a bit about slow claim approvals sometimes. Now, Generali, this is honestly where they shine. Their digital claims portal is fast and most folks seem pretty happy with the process. Every so often, a complex claim can slow things down, but at the end of the day, they just make things smoother and less stressful. So gotta hand this one to Generali. Oh, and quick fun fact, did you know the first travel insurance policy goes all the way back to 1864? So, chances are our great ancestors were panicking about missed trains just like us. Alright, let's hop over to global support. Travel Guard's got a big US call center, and hey, if you or your travel buddy need assistance in another language, they've got you covered. Only thing, their mobile app isn't super fancy compared to others. Generali though, they're rocking that worldwide support network, and honestly their app is just more modern and helpful for tracking help or claims on the go. The only downside, if there's some kind of big emergency, you might be on hold a while. But yeah, Generali packs more global punch here. Last but definitely not least, reputation and reliability. Travel Guard, been around since the early 80s, and being backed by a giant like AIG is nothing to sneeze at. So if you're someone who likes a big name and proven track record, you'll sleep easy here. The only thing is, people sometimes say the service feels a bit impersonal. Generali, on the other hand, is actually recognized for customer care and their policies are super transparent, but well, their US presence isn't as huge and they're just not as much of a household name. For reliability, yeah, Travel Guard is the old-school heavyweight. So, if we lay it all out, picture that classic radar chart. Generali edges forward in value, claims, and support, while Travel Guard's strength is really in reputation and solid coverage. If you want that warm, fuzzy feeling of a big, reliable company, Travel Guard's your best bet. But if you're all about quick claims, a slick digital experience, and saving a few bucks, Generali Global Assistance just pulls ahead. Honestly, both are way ahead of the pack, but Generali is probably the winner for most travelers, especially the techies among us. If you found this helpful, seriously, don't forget to follow for more tips, tricks, and deep dives into travel and insurance. Got questions or want a specific comparison? Let me know, we're here all season.